Hey guys! In this tutorial, we will be looking at how to apply a filter to a chart. So, let's get started. To connect to your database, click this icon. Select the SQLite from the drop-down list. Type your database path, and save your setting. Now click this gear icon. Write your SQL query. Hit the Run Query button. Select Sales 1997 field. We will be using bar chart. Add one more trace. Select the bar chart for our second trace. Sales 1998 will go to Y-axis. You can change the color of your chart through these sliders. The chart is ready. You can see, there is no filter. To add a filter, extend the properties. Click the Show Filter button. The filter icon appears here. Now, save the changes. Resize the canvas and set the position. Here is the chart filter icon. To save this chart, click the Save button. Type the name of your chart and hit the Enter. Your chart is saved. Click the Share button to share the chart. Click Copy Link button to copy the link of your dashboard. Now paste this link to the browser address bar. Here is your chart with filter. Click the filter icon. Click this icon to exchange X and Y values. Click Apply button to apply the filter. The data was changed. You can also select data from this list. Click Apply button. Here is the chart with first 4 row. Click this button to sequence your data in ascending or descending order. To reset the chart, click Reset button. The chart is reset now. Check out some of our other tutorials to create dashboard without programming.